Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Payal Chakraborty and today I'm presenting this beautiful makeup look. So let's get into the video. I'm starting off with Nivea moisturizer as my base, and then I'll go to Swiss Beauty primer, which is a silicone based primer. Next here I'll be using PAC HD foundation in the shade 1.6 and will blend it with a beauty blender. Guys, do not ever forget to put foundation on your neck as well. Next I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to highlight my face and conceal the dark circles and every dark spots. I'll be blending it with a damp beauty blender. Next here I'm using Miss Clear Light Banana Powder as a translucent powder on my face to set my base. Next I'll be doing my eyebrow using Music Flower Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. I'll be filling my brows after brushing it with a spoolie brush. I'm using an angular brush from Zoeva brushes. Next here I'll be using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in the shade Neutrals 2, and I'm taking these two dark brown shades and mixing it up and putting it on my crease area with an eyeshadow blending brush. Next I'll be taking Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Champagne and I'm applying it with a flat brush onto my lid. This will eventually make my eyelids look bigger. I'll also apply the highlighter on my brow bone and also in the inner corners of my eye. Next I'm taking an eye pencil from Avon in the shade Turquoise Green and applying it on the inner part of my lower lash line. I don't know whether it's catching on the camera or not, but the color is really beautiful and it gives a beautiful effect on your eye. Next I'll be going with an eye pencil from Avon in the shade Dark Navy and apply it on the outer edge of my eye area. Here I'll be drawing a lower wing instead of a regular upper liner wing. I will repeat the same on the other eye as well. Next I'll be taking my eyelash curler and curl my lashes and will apply a mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl Lash Mascara. This mascara is very nice and it gives a beautiful volume as well as lengthens your eyelashes. In the meantime, I'll be finishing the rest of my face makeup using the same eyeshadow palette and taking this shade and contouring my face with the help of a contour brush from Zoeva brushes. I'm contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose and a bit of my upper forehead. Using the same eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this coral eyeshadow color and applying it as a blush on my cheekbones with the help of a blusher brush from Zoeva brushes. Next I'll be using a makeup fixer from Glam 21 and will hydrate my face with it. After this I'll be applying my highlighter with a fan brush. The highlighter is from Makeup Revolution in the shade Champagne. This will make my highlighter pop more and will give it a very nice glam look. I'll be filling my lips with Glam 21 lip liner in the shade Bobby Brown and will be following it up with a lipstick from Glam 21 in the shade Toned Brown. This is a very nice nude color and is suitable for fair to medium skin tones. Now my look is completed. The style of reverse eyeliner is one of the trendiest makeup trend that is going on in the rounds. If you have liked my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give it a big thumbs up. and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos.